Hi L Decor India, this is Chef Amninder Sandhu at Palash in Tipeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. I'm the F&B partner at Tipai, and my job here is to pimp up the food experiences, and we've created a new fine dining experience here which is Palash. So when you eat food, it's actually energy exchange. So I feel it's very important to be like in a good mood, and you have to cook with love. And even if it's something very simple but cooked sincerely, guest feels that. And I think at Palash, that's what I've set out to do, because it's a very honest, sincere attempt at uplifting women, use the ingredients that are growing here, techniques that are lesser known, and touch people's hearts. I'm a Sardani from Assam, so I love my butter chicken just as much as I love my bamboo smoked pork. So my range of Indian cuisine is bigger than if you just grew up in a city. Unhygienic kitchen, badly written stickers, unwrapped food in a fridge, no hand wash. I can go on and on. So from the last restaurant that I did, which was all open fire cooking, and we did very rustic traditional cooking, but the interiors were very blingy and fancy, and I felt a serious disconnect. And that's when I learned from my tough lesson that it is very important for your dining space to resonate the same feeling that's happening in the kitchen. And here at Palash, I'm using a lot of leaves and bamboo hollows. I use a lot of mitti ki chatis. I use cast iron. I use heavy bottom copper lagan. If my life was a cookbook, I would be in the aloo paratha chapter, and the title would be Fussy Eater. I chill with my dog and my husband, and I get very little time at home because I run businesses in 4 different cities, so I live out of a suitcase. So for me, spending time with my family is my ultimate luxury. I would like people to stop asking me for recipes. No, they should ask me things like, have you eaten? Did you sleep well? Can we not talk about, we will not talk about food with you. I remember we'd gone to the Prime Minister's house, I was still a trainee, and we'd gone to the Prime Minister's house for a catering, and there was only one guy on the tandoor, and it got really busy, and I just jumped in. I was just there to like move things from the truck and all of that. They didn't think that I had any skills at that point. But I jumped in to help him, and I started slapping rotis in the tandoor, and at one point he stopped doing what he was doing and he started looking at me. And he said, did you know this from before? I said, no, I'm doing this for the first time today. And he came back and he told my boss, put her in the tandoor section, she's good at it. And that's what actually started my whole journey of appreciation for traditional Indian cooking.